Hi guys and welcome back to the AMCrypto channel. My name is Alex and I will bring you your crypto update. So here right now on Luna, we saw a massive dump from this crucial support resistance level. So I definitely want to talk about this, guys. So if you think that's interesting, then definitely stick around, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So now let's get here directly into the charts as I promised, guys. And I will also talk about Bitcoin in a bit. But first, let's get here into Luna. So we have seen here after Luna has broken down here to the 3 cent level and below, that it always tried to come up above the 3 cent level. Here, also here, was here in these areas clearly resistance. So then with a little bit of acceleration, tried to break it parabolically out to the upside all the way up to 5 cents when Luna basically got relisted on most of the exchanges, but then slowly creeped its way under this line here again, and then we got a massive move to the downside, and now Luna is almost worthless. So I put in at what price? I think at 2 cents. At 2 cents I was buying another $100,000 of Luna, so it's now worth almost nothing, so it's like $20, right? Even less. It's like, yeah, it's like $20 or even less. So it's crazy. So, and when you compare here the 3 cent level to where it is now, so this is like flatline dead. So yeah, I don't know how Luna should ever recover from something like this. Even if you zoom in here, you see here this massive dump to the downside. Let's see here. So here is some support. So, but if that breaks, then Luna is really close to zero. So I believe if Luna doesn't see here really quicker recovery in direction of at least 1/10 of a cent all the way up here, then Luna is done for good, and it will literally go to zero. That's what I believe. So, and then I lost even then a little bit more money than I did already. But yeah, a lot of my friends did too, like Carl, Da Vinci, and a lot of other people. So yeah, it is what it is. We have to live with that loss. So, but actually I also got already a little bit tired about Luna, because even my dad knows now about Luna, and he is not in crypto whatsoever. So even he knows about it, which is crazy. So yeah, let's get here into Bitcoin. That's definitely more interesting right now. Here on the weekly chart, something interesting to observe. So for now, Bitcoin got actually a bounce from this horizontal line here that I was talking about a couple of weeks ago already, that we always got a nice bounce from this level. And that is the $28,790 level. Also here we got a nice bounce back above this with the last weekly candle. So now this weekly candle is pushing again to test this level. So, but I believe by the end of the week, we will be still above this level here and see finally a bounce back to the upside. So I believe now could be actually a good time to get into Bitcoin on spot and on futures. So, but be really careful here, guys. If you use futures at these levels here, only use small leverage like 2, 3, 5x maximum. I would not recommend a higher leverage than that. And if you want to trade with leverage, guys, don't forget you get $4,050 if you use here my link for signing up on BYBIT. Just takes 15 seconds, or you go to Phemex, there you still get $4,100 also with my specific link, guys. So yeah, so the stochastic RSI looks like it wants to turn around here in the immediate short term in the next couple of days. We just have to wait until the end of the week, until the next weekly candle, in my opinion, and then we see here finally some nice fireworks to the upside. When we go a little bit more in the short term, then we can see that Bitcoin has formed here this head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern. So something like this here, there. So if we measure this, so then we see the technical target should be around $38,126 ish, around that level. yeah, so but we need a break above this downward sloping neckline for this, and that must be also volume supported, that break to the upside, that we can actually reach the technical target. But if we break here to the upside and get a successful retest with a continued move to the upside, then around let's say, yeah, $31,500, so above this candle here, there I would put in a long position and trade this here to the upside if there is a lot of volume here coming in. So when we are looking on the EMA ribbons, so then we can clearly see that they're contracting right now, but that could be also a sign that we get a further wave down, so something like this, and then come here slowly up again. So here we have to wait a little bit. I would like to see that the price action breaks into the middle of the ribbon here at $30,600 and can stay there, find the support, and then we would see a continued slowly growth to the upside. Otherwise, if we get further rejected there, we will retest the Fibonacci retracement, the 2.618, and I think this time it would actually break to downside, and then we could put in a short position. So if we come down to retest the $28,300 level, there I would put in a short position if we break this. So, but if we move here higher and break above the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders here, then I would put in a long position. And guys, if you don't know how to trade but you still want to make money, don't forget that you can also still sign up for my paid signals group. There you don't need any TA knowledge whatsoever. You can just copy the trades that we are sending there. Here this link is directly hooking you up with my staff. They will explain you everything and also the price of it, so definitely check this out. Guys, that's it already for today's episode here. Once again, thank you so much for watching. You were incredible the last couple of days. Sorry for yesterday that I was not there, but I was really busy. I was running from one meeting to the other one, and also I had to take care of stuff because my dad arrived today from Germany. So yeah, sorry for that. And yeah, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.